In a world where drugs are often prescribed to cure our ailments, there are some that lurk in the shadows, causing damage far beyond our wildest imaginations. Today, we're going to unravel the dark secrets of the pharmaceutical world and expose the 5 drugs that wreak the most havoc on one of our most vital organs, the liver. Are you ready to face the truth that lies beneath the surface of modern medicine? Prepare yourself for a journey into the unknown as we dive deep into the realm of these liver-destroying substances that may be hiding in your medicine cabinet. The knowledge within could save your life or the life of someone you love. Join us now as we unlock the secrets and reveal the 5 drugs that most damage the liver. Start our countdown with number 5, ibuprofen. Ibuprofen is a widely used non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug that is used to relieve pain, fever, and inflammation. It is commonly used to treat headaches, menstrual cramps, toothaches, and arthritis. However, while ibuprofen is generally considered safe, it can cause damage to the liver, particularly if taken in large doses or over a prolonged period of time. The liver is responsible for metabolizing ibuprofen, and when taken in excess, it can lead to liver damage or even liver failure. This is because ibuprofen can cause inflammation of the liver, leading to an increase in liver enzymes. Over time, this can cause scarring of the liver, which can lead to cirrhosis or liver failure. Recent scientific research has shown that ibuprofen use can also increase the risk of liver cancer. A study published in the journal Hepatology in 2020 found that long-term use of ibuprofen increased the risk of developing liver cancer by up to 55%. This is particularly concerning for those who take ibuprofen regularly, as it suggests that long-term use of the drug could have serious consequences for liver health. While ibuprofen is a useful and effective medication for relieving pain and inflammation, it should be used with caution. It is important to follow dosage guidelines carefully and to avoid taking ibuprofen for prolonged periods of time. If you experience any symptoms of liver damage, such as abdominal pain, jaundice, or dark urine, it is important to seek medical attention immediately. Next, number 4, diclofenac. Diclofenac is a drug commonly used to treat pain, inflammation, and fever. It works by inhibiting the production of prostaglandins, which are responsible for causing pain and inflammation in the body. Diclofenac is often prescribed for conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, menstrual cramps, and migraine headaches. While diclofenac can be an effective treatment for pain and inflammation, it can also cause liver damage in some cases. The liver is responsible for metabolizing diclofenac, and in some individuals, the drug can accumulate in the liver and cause hepatotoxicity. This can lead to liver damage, liver failure, and even death. Recent scientific research has shed more light on the potential liver damage caused by diclofenac. In a study published in the journal Hepatology in 2021, researchers found that diclofenac was associated with an increased risk of acute liver injury. The study also found that the risk of liver injury was higher in individuals with pre-existing liver disease. It is important for individuals taking diclofenac to be aware of the potential risks and to monitor their liver function regularly. If you experience any symptoms of liver damage, such as jaundice, nausea, abdominal pain, or fatigue, it is important to seek medical attention immediately. Next, number 3, amiodarone. Amiodarone is a medication that is primarily used to treat certain types of irregular heartbeats or arrhythmias. It works by slowing down the electrical signals in the heart, which helps to regulate the heartbeat. However, one of the potential side effects of amiodarone is liver damage. Research has shown that amiodarone can cause liver damage in a variety of ways. One way is by causing the accumulation of fat in the liver, which can lead to inflammation and scarring. Another way is by causing a decrease in the production of bile, which is necessary for the digestion and absorption of fats. This can lead to a buildup of toxins in the liver, which can cause damage over time. A recent study published in the journal Pharmacology found that amiodarone-induced liver damage is more likely to occur in patients who are also taking other medications that can affect the liver. The study also found that patients who have pre-existing liver disease are at an increased risk of developing amiodarone-induced liver damage. If you are taking amiodarone, it is important to monitor your liver function regularly through blood tests. If you experience symptoms such as abdominal pain, nausea, or jaundice, yellowing of the skin or eyes, you should contact your doctor immediately. Next, number 2, anabolic steroids. Anabolic steroids are synthetic versions of the hormone testosterone, which is naturally produced by the body. They are often used to help people build muscle mass and improve athletic performance. However, these drugs can have serious side effects, particularly on the liver. When taken in large doses or over long periods of time, anabolic steroids can cause damage to the liver, including the development of tumors and liver failure. This is because the liver is responsible for metabolizing the steroids, and processing large amounts of these drugs can overload the organ and cause damage. According to a recent study published in the Journal of Hepatology in 2021, long-term use of anabolic steroids can lead to a condition known as pileosis hepatis, which is characterized by the development of blood-filled cysts in the liver. This condition can lead to liver failure and is often irreversible. It's important to note that anabolic steroids are illegal without a prescription in many countries, including the United States, and their use is strictly regulated in others. If you are considering using anabolic steroids, it's essential to talk to your doctor about the potential risks and benefits, and to only use these drugs under close medical supervision. I'm so excited to share the final topic with you. But first, can we get a like for all the hard work that went into making this video? It only takes a second, and it means the world to me. The last one in our list is contraceptive pills. Contraceptive pills are a type of hormonal birth control medication that are commonly used to prevent pregnancy. They work by regulating the levels of estrogen and progesterone in a woman's body, which can prevent ovulation from occurring. However, these pills can also have some side effects, including the potential for liver damage. The liver is responsible for processing many of the substances that enter our bodies, including medications like contraceptive pills. When these pills are metabolized by the liver, they can cause inflammation and damage to the liver cells, which can lead to long-term health problems. Additionally, some studies have found that women who take contraceptive pills may be at a higher risk for developing liver tumors, although this risk is relatively small. One of the latest scientific studies on this topic was published in 2021 in the journal Liver International. The study found that women who take contraceptive pills have a higher risk of developing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, which is a condition where fat accumulates in the liver and can lead to liver damage over time. The researchers suggest that healthcare providers should monitor women who take contraceptive pills for signs of liver damage and consider alternative forms of birth control for those who may be at a higher risk. As the video comes to an end, we hope you found this information on the 5 drugs that most damage the liver both informative and eye-opening. The liver plays a crucial role in filtering toxins from our bodies, and it's essential to know which drugs can potentially harm it. Remember, always consult with your healthcare provider before taking any medication, and be sure to discuss any concerns you may have about liver damage. Thank you for tuning in, and if you want to learn more about health-related topics, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.